We'll just copy somebody else's. Okay, well, how? Well, what? What does a copy look like? How much of a copy is a copy? Do I, like, it's, yeah. Okay. So, QMKMSys says, hey, if you want to make a new keyboard, you use QMK new keyboard. Then you put in the name, and then it asks for your GIT. And then if the keyboard doesn't exist, it says, hey, the keyboard doesn't exist. If the keyboard does exist, it says, hey, the keyboard already exists, pick a different name. I don't like an STM32. Okay, so we've run into our first thing that we need to change, which is I need to go swap my not give me any options. Um, I did not run any new commands. I don't understand what changed. Yeah, okay. A numpad would probably cover what I need. Let's try 30. Apparently, yeah, because I did not change anything. I did not change anything. I even closed and reopened it, so... F32... F303... Okay, this is not... My microcontroller is not here. The one that they told me to use. This. Remember how this goes appropriately. The A 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. No problem. That's fine. I come in and I go, all right, well, what's in the config dot? Yeah, pretty much, right? It's the equivalent of Dad shoving his arm on the shelf at the grocery store. Yeah, Embedded has some fun with their naming, Ariella. It's silly. I'm just quickly looking up some pricing here right now. Okay, so it doesn't look like there's going to be any difference there. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to grab the STM32F103, because I've worked with that one before. Nothing, basically. Okay, so there's nothing I can really change there to make it appropriate. Let's see this one here. Okay, we have an OLED enable and a whole bunch of comments. I have an array of random numbers that don't mean anything as far as I can tell. I see some OLED script, which doesn't apply to me, but also doesn't deal with the microcontroller. Roo! Hello, friend! This is the only file I've seen before, is the keyboard JSON file. It does deal with, like, something in that category, but columns and rows, well, what's B3, what's F6? Those aren't meaningful pieces, but I do have a processor there. That's cool. But as far as an actual directory, so C... I don't know how to adjust that. What am I looking at here? I don't know what that matrix is trying to tell me. Build environment, test the build environment. S030C86. Okay, I'm gonna share my window because if this works, it's great and it'll be a shared victory. So I deleted my old one. Okay, QMK new keyboard, great. Toppad V1. Okay, only lowercase. All right. So now it's completely kicked me out. And Ariella, you have completely ran straight into the problem with embedded programming. I can't make anything less specific because if it's less specific, it's not going to be applicable. I've already built a keyboard like that, Mom. I've already done that before. Okay. Oh, is that what that might... Maybe that's what I'm looking at there. Is that... not hurting anybody that's involved with the project. D is current directory, but that's going to have to be some subfolder of the Git of the QMK Git situation. But yeah, this is so. What I'm really trying to figure out is like this is basically what I'm dealing with is if I have something here and I go, oh well, this PB6 is connected to UART1 TX, then I can go in and configure and say, hey, yes, that is what I'm using that pin for. That is what it is configured for. Yeah, yeah, it's changed directory, but if I go CD keyboard, it's not going to do anything. Git. What do you want? Do you want me to pick something that already exists or something that doesn't? Because you can't have it both. I would love to, Rue. This is the problem with working in software, though. If I yeet anything, I'm just yeeting my own expense. It's both. It's both, Ariella. That's the problem. It's I've found other people's configurations, but like right now, so if I come in here, I go new keyboard. Okay. So it wants me to use only all lowercase, which is, I will say, different than what it did last time. Okay. GitHub username. My real name. Yep. Okay, so this is last time I did this, the exact same command.